In today's video, I'm going to teach you about what a ClickUp agent is, a remarkable tool that revolutionizes the way you manage tasks within your workspace. Imagine having an assistant who doesn't just follow basic instructions, but can understand context, make decisions, and help achieve specific goals within your ClickUp environment. So what exactly is a ClickUp agent? Well, think of it as an autonomous AI assistant specifically designed to operate within your workspace. Unlike your standard automations that are built around a simple if-then rule, ClickUp agents boast a level of intelligence that allows them to take actions independently, all without needing constant input from you. It's like having a highly efficient, smart, goal-oriented teammate by your side, capable of performing complex, multi-step tasks. When it comes to integrating a ClickUp agent into your workflow, its flexibility lets you add it to various parts of your workspace. You can include these dynamic assistants in your channels, spaces, folders, and even lists. This integration capability makes it a versatile addition tailored to adapt to your workspace's unique needs. Now, let's dive into some of the key characteristics that make a ClickUp agent stand out. Firstly, autonomy is at the core of its design. The agent can make independent decisions and perform actions based on the instructions you provide, which allows it to execute tasks efficiently and with minimal supervision. Moreover, it is context-aware, understanding all the information within your workspace. This means it can process tasks, documents, and conversations, ensuring its actions are highly relevant and aligned with your objectives. Another defining trait of ClickUp agents is their goal-oriented nature. They don't just react to triggers, but they actively work towards specific objectives. Whether it's keeping a project on schedule or ensuring new client tickets are promptly assigned, agents are designed to see the bigger picture and move in the direction of those goals. To give you a clearer picture, let's explore some real-world use cases where ClickUp agents can truly shine. In project management, an agent can automate the assignment of tasks, update statuses, and even create subtasks as a project moves forward. This results in a smoother workflow and allows you to focus more on strategic decisions rather than routine updates. For reporting purposes, an agent can generate and post daily or weekly summaries, highlighting project progression and potential blockers. This proactive communication keeps everyone on the same page without manually gathering the data yourself. Then there's data triage, particularly useful in a customer support setting where an agent can read new tickets, categorize them by urgency, and assign them to the right team member. In summary, a ClickUp agent is not just another automation tool. It's an intelligent workflow solution designed to handle tasks that are complex, dynamic, and require a level of autonomy beyond traditional setups. Whether you're looking to optimize project management, streamline reporting, or enhance your data triage processes, ClickUp agents are there to make it happen, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters.